Hey. Sanibonani. Ayikho into enzima empilweni njengokuthi uma uyi-first born noma uyi-last born. You know, ama-first born iwona a-attackwa kakhulu in families nama-last born. Ama-attack kufanele ngabashaya abazali ayendlula eyoshaya ama-first born. Ama-attack kufanele ngabe ajump. Yabona o number 2 3 bangcono kodwa all last born ba-attackwa more because ama-attack ashaya ama-first born ayendlula aphinde yoshaya no last born. All last born they are more attacked. No last born they are more attacked. That thing is support. We need to support them.